I thank Her Highness Sheikha Moza bint Nasser for her commitment to advancing the international debate on education. Remarkable progress has been made in ensuring education for all. Over 50 million additional children are enrolled in primary school. The gender gap has narrowed. Yet we are not on track to reach the Millennium Development Goal for education by 2015. And the economic crisis has increased the vulnerability of the poorest populations. The wisest investment we can make today is to target those who are missing out. Girls and women must be our priority. Education carries benefits throughout life and across generations. It has a positive impact on reducing infant and maternal mortality, on nutrition, HIV prevention, poverty reduction, and women's empowerment. Led by UNESCO, the United Nations family is promoting a holistic vision of education. We are pressing donors to meet their commitments, and we are encouraging innovative financing mechanisms. People are any country's greatest wealth, but that wealth must be built on quality education systems. WISE contributes to this effort through its advocacy and by showcasing success stories. I look forward to working with all partners to accelerate progress, meet the target we set for ourselves, and keep our promise to the world's people.